Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first let's open the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. After that, click here to the settings and click to voice section. After that, tap to voice match, and here you'll see Hey Google switcher. Just to activate it, click once on the switcher, tap to next. Read the description, click yes I agree, tap to continue. Now this option is activated and we should add our voice model. So click here retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now just tap here to finish. And now Hey Google feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.